In a groundbreaking move, oil giant BP has just inked a staggering $100 million deal with electric vehicle pioneer Tesla. The transaction involves BP acquiring ultra-fast charging hardware units from Tesla, aiming to significantly expand its BP Pulse public network across the United States. This expansion is not a distant plan, folks. The rollout is set to start as early as 2024. And where will we see these chargers first, you ask? BP has identified the initial installation sites in some of America's busiest cities: Chicago, Houston, Los Angeles, Phoenix, and Washington, D.C. This strategic move is part of BP's ambitious plan to invest a whopping $1 billion in America's electric vehicle charging infrastructure by 2030. So buckle up, because the future of electric vehicle charging is about to get a major boost. Now, you might be asking yourself, why would an oil company invest so heavily in electric vehicle charging technology? Well, it's not as counterintuitive as you might think. The world is shifting gears, moving from fossil fuels to renewable energy. This transition is most apparent in the automotive industry, where electric vehicles are becoming increasingly popular. This shift in consumer preference is not just a phase, it's a revolution. And revolutions change landscapes, in this case, the energy landscape. BP, being a leading player in the energy sector, recognizes this change. The company understands that to stay ahead, it needs to evolve with the times. Thus, BP's investment in Tesla's ultra-fast chargers is a strategic move to align itself with this energy transition. This move is not just about staying relevant, it's about capitalizing on a new, potentially lucrative market. As more electric vehicles hit the roads, the demand for charging infrastructure will skyrocket. BP wants to be at the forefront of meeting this demand. By investing in Tesla's ultra-fast chargers, BP is positioning itself to tap into a market that could offset the anticipated decline in oil consumption. It's a smart move that could see BP become a dominant player in the electric vehicle charging market. This investment is also part of BP's broader strategy to transition into a more sustainable energy provider. The company has committed to investing $1 billion in America's EV charging infrastructure by the year 2030, with half of that investment slated for the next 2 to 3 years. It's a clear indication that BP is serious about its commitment to sustainable energy. For BP, investing in Tesla's ultra-fast chargers is more than just a business move. It's a strategic pivot towards the future of energy. But is this a good investment for BP? Absolutely, and here's why. Let's start with the star of the show, Tesla's ultra-fast chargers. They're not just fast, they're ultra-fast, making charging your electric vehicle as easy as filling up your gas tank. This speed is a game changer, eliminating one of the biggest barriers to electric vehicle ownership: charging time. And efficiency? It's top-notch. Tesla's chargers are designed to minimize energy loss during charging, ensuring that more of your power goes into your battery, not the air. But it's not just about speed and efficiency. These chargers are compatible with both North American Charging Standard and combined charging system connectors. This means that no matter what electric vehicle you drive, you can use these chargers. That's a broad customer base that BP can tap into. Now let's talk about market potential. BP is stepping into a rapidly expanding market with a high-quality product. As more and more people switch to electric vehicles, the demand for fast, efficient charging will only grow. By investing in Tesla's ultra-fast chargers, BP is positioning itself to become a dominant player in this market. The potential returns, they're substantial. With this investment, BP isn't just buying chargers, it's buying a piece of the future. A future where electric vehicles are the norm, not the exception. A future where charging your car is as common as filling up your gas tank. And remember, BP isn't starting from scratch. BP Pulse, their charging network, already has over 27,000 charging points installed. And they're not stopping there. Their goal is to roll out over 100,000 charging points globally by 2030. That's a massive network that could generate significant returns. For BP, this deal with Tesla could very well be the key to unlocking a prosperous and sustainable future in the energy sector. So, what does this mean for you, the consumer, and for the future of energy? Let's start by picturing the landscape of electric vehicle ownership. With BP's investment in Tesla's ultra-fast charging hardware, we're looking at a future where charging points are as common as gas stations. This means no more range anxiety, no more meticulous trip planning. Just plug in, charge up, and get back on the road. But it's not just about quantity, it's about quality too. The ultra-fast in ultra-fast charging isn't just a fancy label. It's a promise of reduced charging times, making electric vehicles a more viable option for everyone, not just the early adopters. And let's zoom out a bit. This deal isn't just about cars. It's a bold statement about the future of energy. It's about bridging the gap between sustainability and profitability, showing that green initiatives can be financially rewarding. It's about creating a world where our energy solutions don't compromise our planet. This deal signals a new era in energy, one where sustainability and profitability go hand in hand. This is just the beginning of an electrifying journey for BP and Tesla. We've journeyed through BP's strategic investment in Tesla's ultra-fast chargers and unearthed the reasons behind this move. We've explored the potential benefits, the impact on BP's growth, and how it could reshape the future of electric vehicle charging. This development signifies a transformative leap forward in the energy sector and foretells a promising future for sustainable mobility. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting development. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video and want to keep up with the latest in the world of energy, be sure to subscribe to our channel.